Mastering DJ Mixing, a beginner's guide to elevate your skills. Host, Eston Loyford. Welcome to the Eston Loyford YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of DJing and mixing music. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to take your skills to the next level, this guide is here to help you become a confident and skilled DJ. I'm your host, Eston, and I'll be your guide on this journey. So, let's get started. Segment 1. For starters, what exactly is DJing? To embark on your DJing journey, let's understand the essence of DJing. DJing isn't just about playing music, it's about creating a sonic journey for your audience. DJs are like musical storytellers, taking listeners on a ride through different genres, moods, and rhythms. From its humble radio beginnings in the 1930s to the lively nightclubs of today, DJing has evolved into a dynamic and expressive art form that bridges the gap between music and emotion. Segment 2. Build your music library, develop your taste and style. Now, let's talk about building your music library. Your music collection is the heart and soul of your DJing journey. It's where you'll find inspiration, discover new tracks, and curate sets that resonate with your audience. Start by exploring different genres to develop a unique taste. Your style as a DJ will emerge as you uncover what kind of music excites you the most. Remember, a diverse music library allows you to craft versatile sets that can cater to different crowds and occasions. Segment 3. Learn the tools of the trade: DJ equipment. Moving on to the gear that empowers you to create magic: DJ equipment. Decks, mixers, headphones, speakers, and audio interfaces are the backbone of your setup. Decks, also known as turntables, hold and play your music. Mixers are your command center, allowing you to control the volume, EQ, and effects of multiple tracks. Headphones help you preview and align your next track seamlessly. Speakers deliver the energy to the dance floor. And audio interfaces enable you to record your mixes. Remember, you don't need top-of-the-line gear to start. A basic DJ controller is a great entry point. Segment 4. DJ software. Now, let's delve into the world of DJ software. This digital realm has revolutionized the way DJs mix and perform. DJ software offers you the flexibility to mix and match tracks with precision. There are various types of software, each designed for different purposes. Some are tailored for live performances, while others are perfect for studio-style mixing and creating pre-recorded sets. Whether you opt for the hands-on experience of physical controllers or the convenience of software-only setups, there's a world of creativity at your fingertips. Segment 5. Learn the techniques: how to use the gear correctly. Mastering the techniques of using your gear is essential for delivering captivating DJ sets. Let's break down some of these techniques. Volume controls. These include channel faders and crossfaders, which control the volume of tracks. They're crucial for smooth transitions. Pitch tempo slider. Adjusting the tempo of tracks allows you to match their beats, creating seamless transitions between songs. EQ equalization. EQ controls shape the tonal balance of your tracks. You can enhance or reduce specific frequency ranges to blend tracks harmoniously. Cue and play. The cue button lets you preview tracks in your headphones before playing them on the main speakers, ensuring perfect synchronization. Jogging and scratching. These techniques, derived from vinyl turntables, allow you to manipulate the playback of tracks creatively. Effects. Effects like reverb, delay, and filters add texture and uniqueness to your mixes. They're perfect for transitioning between tracks or adding flair to your set. Segment 6. Learn the techniques of DJing. With the tools and techniques at your disposal, let's delve into the art of DJing. Beat matching. This skill involves aligning the tempo and phase of two tracks to create seamless transitions. It's like syncing the heartbeats of two songs. Cueing. Cueing lets you prepare your next track while the current track is playing. It's a DJ's secret weapon for flawless transitions. Transitioning. Transitioning smoothly between tracks is an art in itself. Whether you're using volume faders, EQs, or effects, The goal is to keep the energy flowing. Harmonic mixing. Harmonic mixing involves mixing tracks that share compatible musical keys. This results in harmonic and melodious transitions. Practice and recording. The key to mastering DJing is practice. Record your mixes, listen back, and identify areas for improvement. Recording also helps you build a portfolio to showcase your skills. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've taken your first steps towards becoming a skilled DJ. Remember, it's not just about the technical aspects. It's about your passion for music and your unique artistic expression. As you refine your style, practice your techniques, and explore new musical horizons, you'll discover the joy of creating unforgettable moments on the dance floor. Thanks for tuning in to the Eston Loyford YouTube channel. Until next time, keep the beats alive.